In this expo, we are inviting all across the country, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs, particularly who are into manufacture sector. And they are going to come and put up the stalls and showcase the products being manufactured by them. So the products, right from the micro manufacturing of microchip to the major heavy machinery manufacturers are also there in scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. And one entrepreneur who manufactures the aerospace parts, and his parts have been used in the Mars mission, which was recently conducted in our country. So that is the kind of quality of entrepreneurs are available. But these things are not known to the world, not known to the public sector undertakings, not known to the Indian industry. But with the conducting of the exhibitions like this, the society is aware of the existence of such talented entrepreneurs, and also public sector undertakings are able to get the good connections for their procurements, and also this entrepreneur also is benefited a lot. Apart from that, the Confederation of Indian Industry is working closely with the DICCI as an affirmative partner. So we are working with CII in implementation of the affirmative action and supplier diversity, which was undertaken by the CII since 2006, and CII also faced a lot of problem in identifying the SC/ST entrepreneur. So with the involvement of the DICCI since 2011 with CII, we are able to connect many SC/ST entrepreneurs to the mainstream industry. Particularly, if I tell only Tata Group alone in this financial year, they have extended 186 crores of rupees of value of business was given to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. Like this, very many major companies like Mahindra and Mahindra is there, Godrej is there, and Infosys is there, TCS, like that, many companies are coming forward to help the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. We have been continuously conducting the buyer-seller meets through CII in all the states, and through that buyer-seller meetings, we are able to connect to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. So this expo is going to give the platform for the CII member companies also to get connected with the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. In the similar way, there are many banks, financial institutions are there. So financial institutions, they are also finding very difficulty in getting the potential customers for them. And there are many scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs who is looking for the finance for their projects. So there is a wide gap. And the banks has got some a branding on the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs that these people are most of them are defaulters. But with the intervention of the DICCI, we say that in SME sector, there are no defaulters from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs, because the defaulters will be arised only when you give the loans. When you have not given the loans at all, there is no question of having a defaulters in the respective banks.